Did you know how to set up a bird's eye view animation? I'll show you. See, this is a typical circular path. Front, left, back, right, front. Note how you never see the top or the bottom of the object. Therefore, you may have thought about shifting your perspective and look from above to get a better impression, like a bird, up in the air. Here is the easiest way to set it up. Start by looking from the front, center the object in the viewport, and create a circular scene from this position. This way you create a clean circular path around the monkey. By the way, if you haven't activated your camera yet, you can do it here in the scene tree. Now use the camera tool to shift the perspective to let the bird fly up in the air. You find it in the tool dock or up here in the tools menu. Pick the camera position, select the Z value and raise your view. Look how the camera moves upwards. Don't fly too high though, otherwise you only see the monkey's forehead. This side is fine. Now copy the Z value and paste it to the other 4 keyframes. Done. A perfect circle in the sky. In the last step, we zoom in a bit after the monkey has become quite small due to our flying up. Adjust the camera's viewing angle until you're fine with what you see. Again, copy this value and paste it into the other keyframes. And this was how to set up a bird's eye view animation. Now hit the render button and fly.